Hello guys, if you are trying to decide between the standard edition and the ultimate edition of GTA 6, here's a quick breakdown of everything important so you can decide which version makes the most sense for you. Rockstar has officially opened GTA 6 pre-orders worldwide and the game is launching on November 19 for PS5 and Xbox Series X and S. There are two editions available, the standard edition and the ultimate edition, and both can be bought digitally or as a physical copy. Starting with the standard edition, this version costs $80 and simply includes the full base game. If your goal is just to play GTA 6 and experience the main content, this is the cheapest and most straightforward option. Now moving to the ultimate edition, this one costs $100, so it's an extra $20, but it includes a lot of bonus content. You still get the full base game, but Rockstar is also adding exclusive vehicles, weapons, outfits, customization options and extra content. Some of the highlights include premium vehicles like the retro-style Grotty Cheetah, exclusive bikes, boats, off-road vehicles, and special vehicle upgrades. You also get character items for Jason and Lucia, including outfits, tattoos, hairstyles, and appearance customization. On top of that, Ultimate Edition includes access to extra customization locations like a mod shop and salon features that appear to be exclusive to this version. There are also bonus stores, additional clothing collections, a garage, weapon storage, and special mission content, including activities like raiding a gang compound and collecting and restoring classic cars. No matter which edition you pre-order, Rockstar is also giving a Vintage Vice City pre-order pack that includes a bonus vehicle, garage access, exclusive outfits and hairstyles, plus a unique weapon skin. Another thing to know is preloading. If you pre-order digitally, you will be able to download GTA 6 from November 12th, so you are ready to play on day 1. For physical editions, Rockstar is shipping the case early, but there won't be a game disc inside, only a digital code to redeem and download. So which edition should you buy? If you only care about playing GTA 6 and don't need extra content, the standard edition gives you the complete game for less money. But if you want exclusive vehicles, customization, bonus missions and extra items from day 1, then the ultimate edition gives you the full premium experience. At the end, it really comes down to whether those extras are worth the additional cost for you. This is the whole thing. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.